I'm here in Tokyo, Japan at the Bashi Burger Chance skate park with 12-year-old Japanese shredder Kairi Yamada. Kylie's on the Misfits team, Fit Bike Co., and today we're going to check out his Fit 18-inch build. Kairi, tell the people who you are.
My name is Kairi Yamada.
How old are you?
12 years old.
Who do you ride for?
From Tokyo.
Close enough. Fit makes a wide range of completes. They have balance bikes, 12-inch, 14, 16, 18-inch bikes. You can grow with Fit. Kairi, when I first met you, you were riding a 16-inch bike. Now you're on an 18-inch bike. What size bike did you start with? How old were you when you started riding BMX?
5歳の時に BMX を始めて12インチを乗っていました。
This is a clean looking bike. What's this thing set up to ride?
エアターンが好きなのでエアターンがしやすいセッティングになっていると思います。ペグ当てが好きなのでペグを多くつけています。
You're running the S&M Pitchfork XLT, an 18-inch version of a classic fork. What's the offset on these and what do you like about them?
ピッチフォークは 33mm です。ピッチフォークのステッカーがかっこよくて気に入ってます。
So you've got 8.3 rise bars on this thing. I don't know much about setting up an 18-inch bike, but 8.3 rise seems really tall for such a little guy. Why do you run these bars? What do you like about them? Any special modifications?
ハンドルは高いからフロントアップがしやすいです。
So these things give you the extra leverage to really yank up and get those whips I see you doing all the time.
はい。
You've got the Mike Hoder S&M grips on this thing. What's up with those? You like those things?
このグリップは握りやすくてめちゃめちゃ気に入ってます。
Kairi, you've got the shortest version of the S&M Enduro stem, 40 millimeters. Why do you choose this? What do you like about it?
このステムは短くて乗りやすいから気に入っています。
Fit makes the OEM crank in a lot of different sizes to accommodate all different size bikes. What do you like about the OEM crank? I also hear you've got a modification to the inside of your bottom bracket. Explain all this for us.
クランクは強くて丈夫なので使っています。 BB はクランクグリップがしやすいように削って調整しています。
We've got the Trooper demolition plastic pedals and the bipolar demolition plastic pegs on here. Why do you choose plastic? Why demolition? What do you like about these parts?
デモリーションは強くて丈夫で壊れにくいから使っています。プラスチックは軽いから使っています。
You have the Profile Elite hubs on here. You're cutting no corners, top of the line. They're light, they're smooth. What's your favorite thing about these hubs?
プロファイルのハブの音が好きです。
So you love the sound of these hubs. This is your favorite thing, right?
Yeah.
You've got the Fly Devon Smiley 18-inch 2.20 tire on this thing. What do you like about this tire?
このタイヤの太さは 2.2 で乗りやすいです。
You're on the Fit Misfits team. How's it feel to be part of the squad with Caden, Shane, Casey Hallahan, etc.? How's it feel?
嬉しいです。ミスフィットのライダーにも会ってみたいです。
Happy to have you part of it. Give me a fist bump. You don't know what I'm saying. Kairi, that pretty much finishes things up. Is there anything else you want to tell the people about your bike?
このフレームの色はダスティグリーンに塗り替えています。すごく気に入ってます。
Midori ii desu ka?
いいです。
Yokata. So there you have it. That's Kairi Yamada's 18-inch Fit build. Check out the entire Misfits line on SOURCEBMX.com. And don't forget to check out Kairi's on the Bike Builder to see exactly what parts he's riding, what's available, what sizes, and how much it's going to cost you.